Did you know that as a GRT holder, you can now delegate your GRT on Tenderize through liquid staking? Tenderize creates a carefree staking experience. Simply deposit your GRT to earn rewards and watch your balance grow. Tenderize will automatically compound your GRT rewards, so there is no hassle of claiming and restaking your GRT. There is also no 28-day lockup period, so you are in full control of your assets. When you delegate through Tenderize, your delegated GRT will become TGRT when staked. These can be instantly swapped back into GRT when you want to stop staking. Let's run through a staking tutorial together to get a better understanding of the process. Firstly, you will need to connect your wallet. For this tutorial, we will be using MetaMask, but there are other options available. When prompted to choose an account on MetaMask, ensure you choose the account which is currently holding your GRT. With your wallet connected, you can now see the amount of GRT available in your wallet to stake. This will now prompt you to give permissions to Tenderize to spend the GRT in your wallet to stake with. This will open another MetaMask window, and this is where you will approve this transaction. Pay attention to the transaction fee to ensure it's not more than you are happy to spend. Once you have approved this, you will return to Tenderize, and once it loads, you then are presented with the stake option. Click Stake, and once again you'll have to approve the transaction on MetaMask. These are estimated gas fees, and typically, the price paid is less. This will now stake your GRT, and will now be TGRT as it has successfully staked. Congratulations, you have now staked your GRT on Tenderize. Now, let's unstake our TGRT back into GRT. Choose the swap feature on Tenderize. Select the amount of TGRT you want to unstake and click the trade button. This will then open MetaMask and ask you to sign a signature request. Once this has been signed, MetaMask will reopen and prompt you to confirm the gas fee to unstake. After this is confirmed, the transaction to swap TGRT to GRT has been started. When the transaction is approved, your GRT has now been unstaked and is back in your MetaMask wallet. We hope you enjoyed the staking and unstaking tutorial on Tenderize.